What's up, everybody? And it's an exciting day. We are here at Milwaukee Tool. We're at the pipeline event. We're in the back room. We're in the booth. And we have, I promise you, 100% of all the information. We will have the clearest, most concise footage to come out of Milwaukee Tool that you will find anywhere on the interwebs in the world, in this stratosphere. We're going to the top, baby, and then we're going to start there. We're going to work our way down all the way through the bottom. We got the specs. We got the features. We got the glossy photos. We even got some awesome footages with these new tools on site. We got the prices. We got the release dates. We got 100% of all the information, and we also have a poll running up at the top of the chat. It says, what is the most exciting Milwaukee tool that's being announced at the pipeline event for 2024? And there are multiple choices. Make your voice heard, because I will tell you that here at VCG Construction, we take care of the very cool gang. And what we will do is we will make sure that the tools that you are most excited about, those are the ones we will get a deep discount on first. I got a couple of more announcements before we get into the information. Here it is. There is a link in the description. First of all, there's this small descriptions of all the tools that have been announced in the description, as well as their product numbers. If you wanted to shop them around, see the new MSRPs for those tools, you can also find a link in the description to take you to the newest product pages. What I can show you is, I'm going to start here. This is a link. This link will take you to all of the new pre-sales for the new tools announced at Pipeline for 2024, as well as the new PPE. Your boy's going to have new goggles to wear, new swim goggles to wear during the live streams to make sure my eyeballs are safe. Okay? So, if you want to see that pricing, the link is in the description. I'm not going to get too wrapped up into how to click that link in the description, but I will let you know this will be a feature-length video where you will get all of the information. You will get all of the glossy pictures. You're going to get it all. You're going to get it all. Let's get started with a very exciting announcement about what will power all of these new tools, and that is batteries and chargers. This one is so mind-boggling. I know a lot of you know that the Forge batteries were on their way, okay? And there are going to be some pairings of these new Forge batteries. Here's the deal on this. The newest Forge batteries will be in the 12 amp hour and 8 amp hour variety. I want to tell you what Milwaukee Tool has to say about those batteries, how they're pairing them. This is what they go on this. Now, these are their words. These are not my words. So if you're like, hey, are you reading? Yes, these are press releases sent over directly from Milwaukee Tool that we have so that we can give you the information that has been shared with us. We have not independently tested the tools, okay, as of right this second. And further testing after Pipeline will continue to happen to make sure that these numbers and everything that they are stating is correct. That's why you're all subscribed, enabled the bells, because when we find new informational tools, you find new informational tools. Let's keep scrolling through that. And you can see the projected pairings. I really like this picture. I think it's really handsome with the new Forge battery. We're going to stay there for a second. This is the 12 amp hour. Milwaukee goes on to say our M18 REDLITHIUM Forge HD 12 amp hour battery pack delivers 50% more power than the high output 12.0 battery. So the battery that Milwaukee sells now in 12 amp hours, the high output, this battery pack, the Forged variant, okay, will deliver 50% more power. There are also some other goodies to that, okay, about the Forge packs and the new battery technologies that are coming out right now. You're going to want to watch this video. Do it after you watch all this video. But it kind of explains what Forge is. A lot of people aren't even aware. I was kind of shocked. And I know you're aware, but there are people that just don't keep up with the tools like you do. They might not be aware. So they go on to say, high-speed, so it says, I'm going to just start over because there's a run-on sentence here. It says, our M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery pack delivers 50% more power than the high-output 12.0 high-speed. That's weird. 50% more power than the high-output 12.0. High-speed cooling for less downtime in high-demanding applications. 35-minute supercharge to 80%, and the longest life versus red lithium batteries. So this battery pack, you'll be able to charge it faster, much more rapidly than the high output battery pack that they're presently that you're able to presently get. It also has longer life cycles, right? You're going to get more life cycles with it, and it's more power. So all of the benefits we talk about in our previous video that we've already done. Red Lithium Forge are the most powerful, fastest charging, and longest life batteries. The M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 batteries delivers 12 amp hours of runtime with 50% more power than the high output 12.0. So 50%, so you're still getting just 12 amp hours of runtime, but with 50% more watts. And watts is what it gives the tool the power, right, to run large circular saw blades and all the oomph that the the tool requires. That's delivered in watts from the battery. Okay, the 12 amp hours will still be you'll still get the same runtime. You're just going to get more oomph for more demanding applications, is what they're saying. Providing optimal power and runtime for demanding applications, the M18 Red Lithium Forge 12.0 is a cool cycle compatible, cool cycle active cooling system. Provides high-speed cooling for less downtime. A lot of cooling going on there. It says patented ingress coating provides increased protection to maximize active cooling through an upgrade venting design. The high-speed cooling feature works with M18 chargers that have cool cycle capability. And when paired with the M18 dual bay simultaneous supercharger, the battery charges in just 35 minutes to 80%, getting you back to work faster than ever before. The lithium-ion battery has the longest life, the most recharges, and the best performance over the life of the battery. It is also designed with resist housing for increased protection against exposure to common oils, greases, and solvents, which would make this perfect for if you're using this in an automotive setting. RedLink Intelligence protects the battery from overloads, preventing you from damaging your cordless tools in heavy-duty applications. The M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery is fully compatible with 275 plus M18 solutions, which would begs the question, right? Are they not the largest 18-volt platform at the moment? Like, that seems very huge. Let's see what other beautiful pictures they have here. Okay, in case you're wondering, we have a little sneak peek here. There is indeed a new Generation 2 rear handle circ saw. I'm excited to announce that. It's going to come in a little bit. I'm going to tell you about that. You can see they're using that 12 amp hour forge with the big Ugga grinders, all high draw applications that require a tremendous amount of watts in addition to runtime is where they're talking about powering this. Here's another little sneak peek. Milwaukee has a dust extractor. We're going to be able to give you the cost of this as well as launch time for this. I think some of you are going to be really surprised about that dust extractor. I will say no new table saw. A little bummed out about that. Let's move on to the 8 amp hour and what Milwaukee says about that. Now, launch date for the 12 amp hour is August 2024. And This is the only one. I will assume. Let's see if we're able to find pricing on pre-sale for the 12 amp hour battery. And indeed, this is pretty cool. Pricing for the 12 amp hour, which you can find in the link in the description, $249. So they're using those much upgraded cells, okay, tabless cells that will give you more charge cycles at the cost of the existing pack. So you're getting 300 to 400% more charge cycles out of these tablet cells in this forged pack. You're paying the same price. That actually brings the cost of using cordless power tools way down when you think about it. And I like that they've held that price point. I really like that they've held that price point. Now, you have a price, you have an expected release date. You know it's launching August 2024, so it's right around the corner. I mean, these are ready to go, it looks like. Let's move into the 8 amp hour forged pack. Whoa. Okay, let's see if we can let's see what we can make happen for all of you. All right, so you can see this is the 8 amp hour forge. I will say that probably most likely a lot of the jargon is pretty much the same as the 12 amp hour. So we're gonna go through it quickly. You're going to benefit through more charge cycles with the 8 amp hour forged compared to the standard high output. You're going to get all of those forged battery pack benefits, okay, in a smaller form factor than the 12. Same size form factor as the 6. Now, I want to see if they'll actually release what cell technology they're using in this 8 amp hour, because in the 6, they're using pouch lithium. In the 12, they're using tabless 21700 cells. I'm curious to see what they're doing in this 8 amp hour. They go on to say our M18 REDLITHIUM Forge 8 amp hour XC 8.0 battery pack delivers high output 12.0 power in a small size. Now, here's the question. They're saying that the Forge 8 amp hour delivers the power, delivers high output 12.0 power in a smaller size. So here's the deal. What they're saying, if I'm reading between the lines correctly, they're giving you the watts out of the 12 amp hour battery pack, the high output 12.0 battery pack, okay, with 8 amp hours of runtime. Now, some of you will go, that's not really a big deal, because the 6 amp hour, hey Vince, the 6 amp hour forged battery pack, Milwaukee claimed and promised that battery pack would deliver 12 amp their high output 12.0 batteries output with the decreased runtime, right? So the same number of watts from the 6 amp hour, okay, as in Forge, as in the 12 amp hour high output is what they claimed. They're making that claim again. Same watts out as the high output 12 amp hour battery pack, the present one, okay? Here's the caveat. Historically, when you went from 6 amp hours to 6 amp hours to 8 amp hours with 21700 cells, the watts out actually decreased from the cells because of the amount of lithium they had to jam into those cells. So what Milwaukee is clearly saying is there will be no degradation in watts out in the 8 amp hour compared to the 6 amp hour. Now, a lot of you that are watching that are not on the cutting edge, like a lot of the Very Cool gang, you might not know, historically, the 6 amp hour high output battery pack put more watts out than the 8 amp hour. What they're saying is with these new forged battery packs, the watts out will stay consistent across the two packs. to pretty much sum it all up in one single sentence. Okay, that's what I'm gathering from this information. All right, let me get on with it. I'm just excited. Like, I love new tools. I love the new information. I love cutting edge technology. These new announcements will help to push the other brands to innovate, right? Innovate, come up, create new tools, innovate, lower costs. This is always great news for the consumers and the contractors, tool users, homeowners, DIYers. It's just exciting stuff. I get all excited about it. So what we'll do is we'll answer questions in a second, right? After we move through the 8 amp hour battery pack. Remember, type at VCG Construction. I'll do my best to answer those questions. Okay. Let me see if I can. I want to see if I can make this a little bit bigger. All right. Let's just make this bigger. Okay. It says, Milwaukee has remained committed to investing in technology that drives productivity, working to revolutionize job sites everywhere. With the introduction of the REDLITHIUM forged batteries and superchargers in 2023, Milwaukee defined expectations of coreless fuel systems. Now, Milwaukee's unlocking a whole new level of power and capability for the M18 system, introducing the new M18 forged HD 12.0 and M18 REDLITHIUM forged XC 8.0 batteries. The most recent expansions deliver professionals the most power, fastest charging, and longest life REDLITHIUM batteries, fully compatible with the M18 solutions. It says this significant leap forward in capabilities for the M18 system, explained Andrew Lentz, Senior Vice President of Product Management for Milwaukee Tool, through a ground-up redesign, combines new tabless cell technologies. So what they're saying is the 6 amp hour forged battery packs were using pouch lithium. The 8 amp hour and 12 amp hour will be using tabless cell technologies. Upgraded pack construction and improved power. Sorry, everybody. People are so excited. They're calling in. They're like, how do I get these new batteries? It says to further maximize productivity on the job, the new M18 REDLITHIUM forged HD 12.0 and an 8.0 batteries are cool cycle capable. Pairing them with cool cycle capable dual bay simultaneous superchargers delivers unmatched productivity by achieving high speed cooling, minimizing downtime previously spent waiting for hot batteries to charge. So historically, batteries that were not air cooled previously, these are air cooled. They'd have to sit to get to a temperature that would allow them to be charged. These packs are allowing this cool cycle technology, okay, probably to pass air over these cells themselves to get them to a temperature that they're able to charge at more rapidly. That's what they're saying there. Okay. Now, the one thing I do find odd here is that they're giving you, okay, there's a charges in just 35 minutes in it. So you're able to charge the 8 amp hour battery pack to 80% in 35 minutes as well. They're not giving any other crazy power claims other than you're still going to get 12 amp hour pack power from the previous generation of high output batteries. Okay. Now let's take a look at some of the other pictures, and you can see what they're pairing these battery packs with. Milwaukee does a great job of providing, video and picture assets. I really appreciate that. These are great pictures, high resolutions. Now, let me see about answering some questions if you have them. Let's see. Before we do that, we have Adam Baumers in the stream first. I want to say hello to him, as well as Chris Kaz. Wes is here. Nikatsis is here. Jeez is here. Yes, there is outdoor power. We can go over that as well. Balaki is here. Hello, Balaki. Sour Pickle. Hey, Vince. Might be a weird question. It's definitely not. He wants to know my workout regimen. So that's not something we're going to talk about today. Maybe I'll do it on my personal blog. It's more diet than anything. Jorge is here. Says, thanks for the live stream. Definitely getting a Forge 12 amp hour battery pack. Chuck Meister says, what up, Vance? I'm doing good, Cusbo. All right. Now, what we want to see is what is the price point for that 8 amp hour battery pack. And you can see here, those 8 amp hour Forge battery packs will be $199. They are available for pre-sale. There is a link in the description to get you to that. Joshua, they did indeed, and we will have that information in a minute. Remember, type at VCG Construction, and we will give you all of the information. Now, here's the deal. We're going to move on to the next. What is crazy is the battery technologies that they're coming up with. Now, this is not, from what I understand, this is not a new. It must be. So this must be another generation, or they've redesigned. This is a second generation dual base simultaneous charger. Because the release or launch date for this charger is February 2025. So I don't know if it's just the 4-point mounting system. You could see here in the corners, let you more easily mount the charger. But there are some other charger technologies that are very interesting that Milwaukee is proposing to really push the full cordless. But let me tell you what it says here. It says our M18 dual base simultaneous charger with 4-point mounting delivers up to 6 times faster charging to 80%, maximizing productivity by reducing downtime throughout the day. In just 35 minutes, users can charge an M18 Forge 8.0 or Forge HD 12.0 battery to 80%, allowing users to get back to work faster than ever before. Superchargers are Milwaukee's fastest chargers, providing you with the fastest charge times for all of your M18 red lithium batteries. The M18 dual bay simultaneous supercharger is cool cycle capable. This supercharger is capable of simultaneously charging up to 2 batteries while leveraging charge adaptive charge distribution to distribute power between bays for maximized productivity. The charge adapt LED will illuminate for the battery that is able to receive the most amount of power, resulting in the user getting 1 pack back faster than fully simultaneous chargers. The charger features RedLink Intelligence Plus. So what I'm gathering from this is that, let's say you have 2 battery packs. Let's just say they're equal battery packs. One's an 8 amp hour, or let's just say they're both 8 amp hour battery packs. Both packs are depleted. But one of those packs, you ran on a light, and the other you ran on a grinder. Generally, the more watt draw would have come from the one that was on the grinder. So the pack that was on the light, theoretically, would be able to, because it would be at a cooler temperature, would be able to receive a charge faster and more watts into that battery pack quicker. This charger will know that through its intelligence and provide more power to the battery that can receive more power. Pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty cool. Gets you back to work quicker. I like that. They also have a 6-bay rapid charger. Let's talk about that. Now, some of you are going to be like, gosh, that thing's a beast. And I would say it does have a handle. It has multiple mounting positions. You can, it is pack out capable. So let's talk about this. You know what? Before we do that, so we had the launch date for the dual bay simultaneous charger. You know what I can do? I can see if it's up for pre-sale. And if there's anything that you're seeing here that's catching your eyeballs, you could always let me know by typing at VCG Construction. Now, I'm not seeing that new 4-point simultaneous charger, but I will say there are kits with rapid chargers for those new forged battery packs. Here's the thing with these kits. I know that for an additional $50, you're getting a rapid charger. Here's the thing, though. With these kits that are available for pre-sale, they don't have the cool cycle technology. So be mindful of that. You're not taking full advantage by using these rapid chargers with these forged battery packs. So be very mindful before you spend your money on a starter kit like one of these. Just being 100% with all of you. If you're going to invest in the forged battery technology, in my opinion, you're going to want to invest, if you're using these for work and getting back to work and charging these more effectively and efficiently, it's going to allow you to make more money on the job site. The thing is that you're going to want to have one of the battery, like the dual base simultaneous charger, something that has that cool cycle technology. Okay? I'm just being 100% with all of you on that. Okay? That would be part of the benefit of jumping to forge. Let's talk about the 6-port, which also appears to have that cool cycle technology. And I would think that cool cycle technology would be, I don't know if you're seeing let me see if I can show you. These slots here along the side of the pack, that seems to be the spot where the air would be passing over the cells or going into the pack itself to pass over the cells. Okay, so that's how they are getting the air into the packs, it would seem. Okay, now let's talk about what this says. It says our 6-bay charger, our 6-bay daisy chain rapid charger is the most versatile shop to mobile charging solution. The 6-bay daisy chain rapid charger features dual charge modes for an optimized rapid daytime or nighttime charging. For bulk M18 battery charging, 10 chargers can be daisy chained together to recharge 60 packs overnight, all on a single circuit. For daytime charging, rapid mode charges M18 batteries at 2 times faster rate than the standard chargers and will charge 2 batteries simultaneously, getting you back to work faster. Spend less time swapping batteries on the job site by managing 6 batteries in a consolidated portable charging experience. It says the battery charger is optimized for transportation and designed for charging on the go. The M18 daisy chain rapid charger is pack out compatible and can be integrated into shop or mobile spaces using the pack out wall plate. So this does not use that cool cycle technology. It is a rapid charger, and their claim of 2 times faster would be over standard chargers. So it would be more akin to the chargers we're seeing here in this presale. So be mindful of that as well. That has a launch date of February 2025. I do not have pricing on that charger as of right this second. Let me see. Maybe it is on here. Maybe it is not. There is some exciting stuff. There's even some new Milwaukee job site clothing. That's pretty cool. We're going to go over all of it. Next, there is a MX FUEL rapid charger as well. You know what? Before I go over the rapid charger from MX FUEL, let me see if there's any questions. So Cole asks at VCG Construction, do you think they'll make a Gen 2 M18 FUEL compact vacuum anytime soon? Love your content. You got me hooked into the Milwaukee. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cole. We're glad you're here. I don't know about Gen 2. It could be later in the stream. I will tell you there is a solution for your compact Milwaukee vacuum that is coming up. It will make it even more effective on the job site. It's pretty exciting. Felix is asking which chargers have the cool cycle technology. It seems as though the only chargers to have that quick cycle technology is indeed the 2-port charger. Now, I don't know if you're able to see this. Let me see if I could zoom in for you. In addition to these slots here, there are a whole bunch of slots here. I don't know if the air passes over the cells here out of those ports or if it's out of these 2 ports. But the 6-bay daisy chain rapid charger, okay, is a fast charger that will only charge 2 batteries at a time. It seems as though the fastest charger at the moment is the supercharger, is this dual bay simultaneous supercharger. So if you really want to take advantage of Forge, this is probably the best way to go. Now, let's go over the MX FUEL rapid charger. Okay. This is the battery platform for people that are not in the know, and that's fine. We want to give some people in the Very Cool Gang. I will say there some viewers. I don't believe they're Very Cool Gang because the Very Cool Gang is a community of tradespeople, homeowners, DIYers, people that love tools. They're very understanding. Here's the deal. Some viewers get frustrated when we go over information that they might know already. But the thing is that we have viewers from like I said, homeowners and DIYers that like Milwaukee Tool. They want the information. They just don't know. They don't follow along as closely as everybody else. So we want to give information to everyone to make the best possible buying choices when it comes to power tools. That's what we do here. So if you like that, get subscribed and enable the bell. Because when we get new information, you'll get new information. All right, got to be honest with you. MX FUEL is a small equipment battery platform. You're able to power things with this battery platform like core drills, demo saws, jackhammers, large drain cleaning equipment, job site lighting. So there are a lot of instances where you're not able to run fossil fuels anymore to power these, especially indoors. The other thing is that where it used to just be an alternative solution for air quality, and being run indoors, Milwaukee's pretty much proven that with their battery technology, they could rival the power of gas solutions at this point. So it's just not like a compliance battery platform anymore, is what I'm getting at. Our MX FUEL Rapid Charger delivers fast, compact charging, allowing our users to get back to work faster and giving them ease of use to and from their charging area. Charge an MX FUEL REDLITHIUM Forge 8.0 in 65 minutes and an MX FUEL REDLITHIUM 6.0 in 50 minutes. The MX FUEL Rapid Charger is cool cycle capable, which is an active cooling system, provides high-speed cooling for less downtime. The active cooling features works with MX FUEL batteries that have cool cycle capability. The charger features RedLink intelligence and communicates directly with your battery to monitor cell voltage, temperature, and charge status to optimize the performance and maximize the life of the pack. This charger is compatible with all MX FUEL batteries. So Milwaukee has some innovative charging solutions that they've announced at Pipeline. It's going to allow you to get back to work more efficiently, more rapidly. Amara, I got to be honest. What I am most excited about, Amara asks, what is your favorite Milwaukee tool? I have a whole bunch of my favorite Milwaukee tools that I presently use. I will talk about the one that I'm most excited about that has been announced at this event, and that is the roofing or the coil nailer. Now, we're going to get some specs. I can't imagine why that coil nailer can't be used for roofing as well as siding and stuff, but maybe there's something in the specifications that we'll find out today. Would be pretty interesting. Ella, hello from Germany. How are you? How is Germany right now? We want to know. Let's move into outdoor power for a moment. There are a couple of exciting advancements in that arena. I'm gonna go over two. The first one is, I don't know if anyone has seen it already. All right, just give me. I'm having technical difficulty. Not really. Okay. Ooh, sorry, everyone. So this is Milwaukee's M18 FUEL 20-inch dual battery chainsaw. Now, any of the pictures and what you're seeing here, they've paired this dual battery chainsaw, which it's obviously 36 volts, 40 volt max. They've paired this chainsaw with forged batteries. So they're saying for the most power, you're going to want to use forge with this. It says our M18 FUEL 20-inch dual battery chainsaw generates 70 cc power, delivers faster cutting through reduced stalls, and provides users a balanced design for more control. This saw is designed to meet the performance, durability, and ergonomic needs of the professional chainsaw user. So they're saying that this is a professional chainsaw. This is not homeowner DIY or game stuff. This is they're marketing this towards arborists. It says the M18 FUEL technology allows the saw to generate 5.8 horsepower peak power, enabling users to take on demanding applications. The Power State brushless motor gets up to speed in under 1 second and maintains the speed under heavy loads without bogging down to outperform gas and high voltage competitors. The power mode select features enables users to run the saw in standard power mode with 4.4 horsepower or peak power mode with 5.8 horsepower, giving users increased control over power output. Standard power mode maximizes runtime and runs cooler, while peak power mode provides maximum power to prevent stalls in the toughest applications. It says RedLink Plus intelligence, full circle communication between the saw and battery, providing unmatched levels of performance, protection, and productivity. Optimized for use with two REDLITHIUM Forge XC 8.0 batteries, this saw delivers up to 60 cuts per charge in 10-inch hardwoods. The saw's balanced design and professionally demanded feature set enable more control in application. The saw features dual metal bucking spikes, high visibility felling sight lines, power mode select button, dual captured bar nuts, and dual nuts, and onboard scrunch storage, fully compatible with 250 solutions on the M18 system. Now, this one will launch August of 2024. Let's see what they're telling us here. They have Milwaukee's launching the 20-inch. It's 0.325-inch pitch, 0.50-inch gauge chainsaw. They have a whole bunch of different bars and such. Now, here's the deal. It's going to be available It's going to be available August 2024. This is how it will shake out. So the 20-inch battery chainsaw, product number 2827-22, it looks as though it includes the two 8.0 batteries, is $899. $899. Now, They have the accessories. You could get that 20-inch, 0.325-inch pitch, point 0.05 inch gauge saw chain. It's an additional $40, and then they have the guide bar, which is another $50. So that kit in total, without those additional saw chains and guide bar, $900. Comes with the 2 8-amp-hour batteries. Let me know down in the chat. What do you think of the price on it? I want to know. I want to know. Now, let's move into another one that I find very, very peculiar. And what they're doing, in my opinion, is Milwaukee is going to turn it looks as though they're looking to turn a door with power management. So it would seem to me, I don't know that I have these in a folder here. I'll show you the single picture that I do have. That's very odd. There it is. Okay. This is pretty interesting. Okay. And this is all targeted towards outdoor power equipment. This is Milwaukee's Power Manager. Now, there are 2 varieties of this. I only have a single picture for this. You can see there's up top here, there's a sliding scale, 0%, 100%. It looks like you could change the level of power you're sending to these outlets. It's pretty much like a distribution bank, if you ask me. This is what it says. It says, the Milwaukee Power Manager enables users with a high quantity of M12, M18, or MX FUEL chargers to optimize their circuit usage and charge more batteries. The Power Manager automatically energizes the largest number of chargers possible and then switches over to additional chargers once it has detected batteries have completed charging. This enables users with heavy energy demands to prioritize high-speed chargers for fast daytime charging and bulk overnight charging, all while avoiding tripping breakers or unnecessarily upgrading their infrastructure. With the Milwaukee Power Manager, professionals can efficiently charge any battery, avoid infrastructure investments, and easily transition from gas to battery equipment. Now, there's 2 varieties. It seems as though there's 2 varieties of this. And it looks as though there are some straps here. I'm not certain exactly how this will pan out, or if this strap is just to wrap wiring. I'm not certain. I'll have to see more. But there is a power bank that is made to run on a 15-amp circuit. I will assume it's the same number of outlets, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 outlets. This power bank, or smart power strip, pretty much that's what, if you ask me, that's what it is. It's a smart power strip. $499. Okay. They have a 20-amp circuit version. That's $599. Okay. Now, this is targeted towards, in my opinion, people in the outdoor power space, landscaping space, and such. People that need, what's the word I'm looking for? They need automation with their charging duties. So not only will this allow a certain number of chargers to rapid charge, it will also take care of overnight charging tasks and cycle through the chargers so that when you're ready to go to work in the morning, that plethora of batteries will be available. This is not the first time we've seen this type of system used in outdoor power. Frankly, Ego has implemented something very similar in the way the batteries will be charged. but they've implemented it in a different way, obviously. Not the same as this here. Let me know what you think about the Power Manager. They have some new. Let's go. We can go over. Let me know down in the chat. You want to see more outdoor power? You want to see carpentry? What is it that you want to see? I could show the outdoor power. This way, when a lot of the viewers get off of lunch at 1 o'clock, we'll be probably into the carpentry stuff, which is what I'm most excited about. Hello, Ricardo Cintron. All right. Let's see what we have for outdoor power. Maybe I'm missing something here. Okay. All right. So there are some new QuickLock attachments and power heads, I suppose. So these QuickLock advancements attachment system will be available. It says November 2024. All right. It says the M18 FUEL power head with QuickLock has more power than a 31cc gas motor, allowing users the capability to take on a variety of demanding applications. The power head is part of the most capable attachment system on the market for ultimate versatility. All right. So let's see what they have available. They have the string trimmer attachment. It's designed to meet performance, durability, and ergonomic needs of landscape maintenance professional, providing more power than 31cc gas, enabling it the capability to take on demanding gas trimming applications. So they have the string trimmer, they have the pole saw. That's the power head unit. There's the pole saw, string trimmer. It's funny. Let me see. Do I not have the... There it is. It's the edger. The M18 FUEL edger. So it says designed to meet the performance, blah, 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 edging. I'm not going to read the same thing 100 times and bore you. They have a whole bunch of attachments. They have an edger. It's fully compatible. Okay. Now, here's the deal. Oh, look at this. Did I miss this? Oh, that's different. Okay, this is not part of the QuickLock system. So you have the power head. It will be available November 2024. And that has a price of $249. The power head. The QuickLock string trimmer, so I guess it would be the power head with the string trimmer attachment like you're seeing here, that has a price of $399. The pole saw with QuickLock, isn't that bizarre? The pole saw with QuickLock is $549. So $549. And then the edger, the power head with edger is $549. Now they also have a couple of standalone units. Let's go through those. This is the short pole hedge trimmer. says, designed with maneuverability in mind, the M18 FUEL short pole hedge trimmer provides the power to cut 1-inch branches, has lightweight design for quick shaping, and provides more maneuverability for clean cuts. This solution features robust 20-inch double-sided blades for faster and more aggressive cutting, in addition to a balanced design providing superior ergonomics in use. This short pole hedge trimmer includes a tip guard to prevent damage to the blade and surrounding work areas, as well as a padded grip and ball handle grip for the optimal hand placement and increased comfort. This one, which looks pretty nice, has a price of $599, will also be available November 2024. Let's move on. They have a 4-gallon backpack sprayer with switch tank. Look at it. So it says the 4-gallon backpack sprayer with switch tank delivers the industry's best pressure control with no manual pumping and an integral tank design. The sprayer's instant, constant, and adjustable pressure enables ultimate spraying control across a wide range of applications, all with no manual pumping required for reduced fatigues. The interchangeable tank design allows you to add on tank assemblies for different spraying applications, eliminating cross-chemical contamination. That means you could use the same base, the same power head, okay, and spray. You could spray like herbicide, okay, and then you can go or land clear, grass killer, and then you can switch tanks, okay, and then spray some type of liquid nutrient and not worry about having to reuse the same tank for both duties and possibly kill plants or vegetables or contamination. I like the switch tank. It makes a lot of sense. Let's move on. Let's see what else is in here. These are the M18 FUEL hedge trimmers. They come in 24 and 30 inches. It says these trimmers exceed the power, performance, and durability needs of the landscape maintenance professionals. Our Power State brushless motor provides users the power to cut up to 1.25-inch branches for faster trimming and the ability to take on aggressive cutback jobs. The hedge trimmer features a rotating handle, double-sided blades, and clipping sweep attachment, providing you with more control for clean cuts. This one's available November 2024. This has a price of $479 for the 24-inch trimmer and $529 for the 30-inch trimmer. What do you think of that? Hello, George. How are you? Felix says, what's with the M18 12 amp hour forged battery? We literally, in the very beginning of this stream, you could scroll back, went over the new 12 amp hour forged battery. We gave you the pricing, availability, and what we thought of it. When you say what's with it, what do you mean? Like what comes with it? It's a battery pack. All right. Let's see what other pictures are in here. I don't think we went over this one. Maybe we did. Did I go over this 16-inch string trimmer? This is the 16-inch string trimmer, M18 FUEL. It says the 16-inch string trimmer is designed for landscape maintenance professionals. Delivers more power than a 31cc gas motor engine, enabling it to complete routine maintenance jobs faster. The string trimmer is also lighter weight and better balanced. It says it get up to speed in less than a second. That's crazy. All right. Remember, type at VCG Constructions for any questions, concerns, anything you want to know that I am not addressing right now. Let's move into what some of you all have arrived for. And that is fastening and automotive. Here's the deal. This stuff's exciting. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's like a whose tagline is "I'm loving it." I want to know. We're going to start out with a new Gen 2 Stubby impact wrench. Okay, M12 Stubby impact wrenches. I got to tell you. Plus, they have new protective boots as well. Boots on the ground. Let's look here. It's very odd. Oh, man, this one's exciting. Here it is. This is exciting. This is what you came here for. Listen, they have been having so many promos on the Gen 1 Stubby that you had to know a Gen 2 was on the way. So here we go. We have pricing, we have availability, and we're going to have a launch date, right? It says our next generation. And the numbers, I've seen this. I'm going to, spoiler alert, I saw the numbers on these already because I was so excited about them. I was like dumbfounded. The amount of power they're getting out of these on the M12 platform. It's amazing. Our next generation M12 FUEL Stubby impact wrenches deliver the most power, are lighter weight and more compact while delivering 50% faster application speeds. It says leveraging power state brushless motor, the Stubby delivers 0 to 3,000 RPM with up to 550 foot-pounds of butt-nusting torque. 550 on M12 on 12-volt platform. It's mind-boggling. Allowing the removal of the most corroded and stubborn applications. Our solution delivers on performance and size at only. Our solution delivers on performance and size at only 2.2 pounds bare tool. Users will experience less fatigue throughout their work week while fitting into tight spaces and allowing access where larger impacts can't fit without using additional accessories or disassembling components to reach the desired fastener. Equipped with tri-LED work lights to illuminate your work and your work area without the frustration of shadows. 4-mode drive control for greater precision and customization to your desired power output. It includes auto shutoff that applies no more than 15 foot-pounds of torque for hand-tight applications that prevent over-tightening when in forward. In reverse, bolt removal mode will slow down the RPM once the bolt is free to prevent bolts from flying around your work area. To change the modes is a single-handed operation. By shifting the forward reverse shuttle into neutral and double tapping the trigger, you will be able to change modes effortlessly. It's kitted with our M12 REDLITHIUM high output XC 5.0 and CP 2.0 battery and delivers the battery pack that delivers 25% more power, runs 25% cooler, and is chemical resistant to protect against exposure to common oils, grease, and solvents. Now, here's my only, if there had to be a gripe, here's my only gripe. I don't know about you, but what do you all really think about that mode selector? So what they're saying is that it's not your traditional mode selector. I know there's a slide in here. I got to be honest with you. I really wasn't aware of the way they're having you change. There it is. How to change modes. So you put the tool in neutral, and then you put the tool in neutral. Okay, so it's the in between forward and reverse, right down here. Okay, you can see neutral up here. Okay. And then you pull your trigger twice while in neutral. That will cycle you through 1, 2, 3 speeds and then bolt removal mode. Honestly, what do you think about that? Now, we have Henry H is saying, great, needed it. I want to know. I want to know what you all think about that. Is it going to be, I think you're going to have to go through a learning curve, kind of like with the installation driver, you know, when they put the mode button at the top as opposed to through some analog switches. So TO Champ is saying, is that a 1/2-inch wrench with an M12 battery? It is indeed a half. There is a 1/2-inch and a 3/8-inch variant of this impact wrench. So you have your choice. Now, here's the deal. They're saying prices vary per the anvil size. They do have a launch date of September 2024. What we can do is we can try to find pricing on that for all of you. Give me a second, because it might be available. That's odd. So it's available September 2024. Here's the deal. Mark, I agree, Mark. I think that it is pretty cool that it becomes a single-handed operation. Not to say that maybe it wasn't previously. So I'll show you the booties as well. Here's the deal. New M12. So the new M12 FUEL Stubby 1/2-inch impact wrench with pin detent is $199. Links in the description to get you there to place your pre-order. Get in line. Okay. 3/8-inch impact, I guess this is what hog ring, is $199. They have kits, a 3/8-inch impact with the batteries that we talked about, high output battery, and it should be a compact battery as well, $279. And then they have, oh, maybe I was wrong. Here's the two battery. The two battery kits actually are $349. So a single battery kit is $279. The dual battery kits are $349. You have your flavors of 1/2-inch, 3/8, hog ring, pin detent. There's a lot of different varieties, but I will tell you, they're all available at the link in the description. TO Champ, it doesn't matter anvil size. It is 550 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. It's a lot. That's a lot of, somebody said it earlier, that's a lot of damage. Okay. I'm super excited about that in a big way. Let's take a look at the protective boots. Okay. I will say this. Previous generations, sometimes these are really handsome boots. Milwaukee Fuel in Boston, the rubber boot. I will say this. Sometimes availability was scarce on the rubber boots. They had run out for a while. I do love the Tri-LED. Looks great. I mean, this is one I'm super excited about. Mark Penna says, down goes Doyle. Down goes Frazier. Wow. I agree. Eugene W. says, you all know DeWalt tools better, with a thumbs up. I mean, I guess there are instances where they are better. But are they better with a stubby impact wrench, Eugene W? Like, what are you saying here? And quite frankly, I think it sounds like you're trying to convince yourself. I don't know that you're trying to convince, us. I feel like you're trying to. It sounds like you're a DeWalt guy, and you're trying to make yourself feel better. I mean, I could be wrong, but oh, do I feel right about that? Now, next up, we have one that I've gone over in the past already, but being that it's every tool that they're kind of announcing during Pipeline, we'll go over it again. This is the M18 magnetic extendable boom light. You can see there's many different pictures. There's a lot going on here. I literally could send you this video here if you wanted to see it more in depth. But for everybody in the back, I'll go over it again. It says, and I'll give you the launch date and availability. It says the magnetic extendable boom light and its 2 articulating arms provides the longest reach in tight spaces. The 3 swivel points with 900 degrees of vertical rotation and 890 degrees of horizontal rotation, paired with a strong magnetic base, allow for fast and secure adjustments. The magnetic base includes a release mechanism for easy removal from ferrous surfaces. It comes with a protective storage boot that reduces the magnet's strength for safe toolbox storage. The light delivers 2,500 lumens of true view high-definition output for up to 12 hours on low or 4.5 hours on high. What's the lumens on high? Well, that seems odd. Okay, there we go. In an attempt to give you 100% of the correct information. It says high will give you 2,500 lumens. And that's when you will get 4.5 hours and 2,500 lumens. On low, you will get 12 hours and you're getting 1,000 lumens. There is a medium setting at 1,500 lumens. And that will get you 8 hours. It's IP54 rated. It's got a launch date of July 2024. It's got a price of $279. Bare tools. What do you think about that? I want to know. Leave it all below. Let's move on to this 6-inch random orbital sander. It'd be great if they actually... See if this will work. Oh, it does. Ooh, it does. All right. It says, designed for the professional paint technician, our M12 FUEL 6-inch random orbital sander, 330 seconds, is optimized to supplement pneumatic solutions within shops. So it's not a replacement. They're not saying it's a replacement. It says our random orbital sander delivers the power to confidently sand clear coat, ultimate sanding control, and the runtime of sanding body filler up to 5 doors per M12 red lithium high output CP 2.5 battery pack. Whoa. Our Power State brushless motor and Red Lake Plus intelligence provides the user with the confidence to remove clear coat at low RPMs without stopping pad rotation. The 6-inch, so that means it has a lot of torque. The 6-inch random orbital sander has a throw of 330 seconds to deliver a paint-ready finish for the paint technician. The innovative ergonomic shape of the palm grip, speed dial, and variable speed trigger allow users a range of 3,200 to 12,000 RPMs. This enables the users to have ultimate control while sanding on curved body panels and feathering paint. When paired with the included Milwaukee Tool 6-inch backing pads, soft, the pad and tool combination is optimized for vibration for long duration of usage along with the preferred removal rate of clear coat. Replacements for the 6-inch soft backing pads in 2 variations for pressure-sensitive adhesive or hook and loop will be available separately. It says equipped with new-to-world tool-free backing pad change to eliminate the stress and potential damage of the tool when changing pads. The vacuum port allows users to remove debris from the work surface while sanding. Both left and right ports are included with the tool to enable users to change the direction of ingress removal. That's pretty cool. I like that. Now, there's a 3/32 throw, and there's also a, let me make sure here. There's a 3/32 throw, and then there is a 3/16 throw. I gotta be honest with you. I want to read the beginning part of the 3/16 throw. So literally, that's the orbit difference. There's two models here. It says designed for the professional body technician, our M12 FUEL 6-inch random orbital sander 3/16 is optimized to supplement pneumatic solutions within shops. It delivers the power to confidently sand body filler, ultimate sanding control, and the runtime or sanding body filler up to 3 1/4-inch doors. Up to 3 1/4 doors per M12 red lithium high output CP 2.5 pack. It says, I want to make sure. So this 3/16 is it's supplied with a firm pad, and it's more tailored in its configuration when it's sold to you. It's more tailored towards removal of body filler, is what they're saying. So there are 2 flavors of sander. Tio says, I need both. I need both. I need both. Now, both of them will be available. Whoa. Let me see here. Both of them will be available January 2025. And both sanders have a price of $299. Additional backing pads for the sanders, both sanders, are $29.99. So $30. It's $30, Milwaukee Tool. Nobody's falling for that anymore. Whoa, somebody brought pasta to lunch. Whoa, nice. All right, now. Yo, Felix says, do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yes, please. All right. If you have any questions, just type at VCG Construction. We have pictures here of the next item up for bid. Psych, I'm kidding. It's not up for bid. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. But let me see if I can find a better picture. I feel like you can't really tell what's going on here from these photographs. Maybe you'll be able to see a little bit better on this one. Okay, now, this is the M12 Auto Shop borescope with Wi-Fi file sharing. So it's pretty much, I don't know if you know what a borescope is. It's pretty much a camera, right? It says optimized for the automotive shop. The Milwaukee M12 Auto Shop borescope with Wi-Fi file sharing delivers simplified inspections and faster repair approval. Quickly share and document findings from the 5.5 HD or high-def touchscreen display. Add context to your photos and videos through our onboard drawing, audio, text, and video trimming features. Connect to the shop's Wi-Fi to quickly share and document findings via email for faster repair approval. 5mm access provides best access in tight spaces, including glow plug holes and fuel injector ports. Front and side view cameras with adjustable LED brightness provide increased application viewing. High-definition photo and video with 4x zoom allows the technician to diagnose hairline cracks with confidence, increasing productivity in the bay. Equipped with heat sense temperature alert technology, if the vehicle both being inspected is too hot to use the camera without potential damage, the borescope notifies the user and shuts down. Wow, it's so smart. Helping to extend the life of the tool's cable. Field replaceable camera cables would be product number 48-59-3150 for reduced downtime. This is powered by the M12 battery system. The borescope is fully compatible with all M12 solutions in the shop. Pretty cool. Now, let me see if there's more pictures to make this more. Whoa, look at it. Now, that's a 5.5-inch HD touchscreen. Will allow you to zoom quicker. I like it. Look at this. It's pretty cool, actually. You can see this is where you would attach and remove your borescope. That is nifty. Now, this one is available November 2024. It has a price of $1,499. Let me know down in the chat, what do you think of the pricing? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think it's too expensive? Do you think it's priced just right? Do you want one? You can have it if you go to the link in the description below and place your pre-order. I think. Maybe not. Let's see. No, you can't. They're not for pre-sale yet. All right. Let's see if there's any questions. So here's the deal. There's nothing new announced backpack blower. Wise, Joe Blair. So I know backpack blowers were announced at Equip for 2023. There's nothing stated here for that technology. Bevo says, best M18 drill and battery for drill brush for auto detail and home use. I don't know. Maybe the Very Cool Gang could help you with that one. I don't know exactly what your exact needs are, what you need. But listen, here's the deal. Go Fuel. Hello, Poland. How are you? So Felix says, the design looks really cool, but seems expensive. I won't disagree. I will not disagree. I mean, $1,500 is nothing to sneeze at. It is what it is. But I will tell everybody this. It is my favorite time for pipeline. And it literally couldn't happen at a better time. We have arrived at carpentry. And now I get all of the warm and fuzzies. There are multiple circular saws that have been announced and re-announced. I am like so excited. Let's see where. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Let me know. What's up, Klein Guy John? Yo, Klein Guy John just had baby. Everybody say congratulations. When I say he had a baby, I mean his wife had a baby. They had a baby together. All right. Here we go. You don't know what saws are available, so how can you tell me what you're most excited for? I don't even know why I would say something like that. It's ludicrous on my part. But I will let you know that Milwaukee Tool has introduced a new 7¼ circular saw tailored for professional carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors, boasting cutting-edge cordless technology for superior performance. The next-gen Power State brushless motor delivers 6,000 RPMs, maintaining high speed under load, providing users the ability to complete their most demanding applications efficiently. The latest RedLink Plus in electronics ensures maximum tool performance and protection from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. The new M18 REDLITHIUM Forge HD 12.0 battery delivers 750 cuts per charge and provides 50% more power when compared to the M18 REDLITHIUM High Output HD 12.0. The saw prioritizes all-day comfort with superior ergonomics, weighing only 7.9 pounds, delivering enhanced productivity. The saw provides positive bevel and depth detents, which is an improvement over the previous generations, improve cut line visibility, and increased cut depth at 2 5/8 inch. Additionally, the saw has an electronic blade brake, LED work light, rafter hook, and an all magnesium schmagnesium guards and shoes, providing the durability to handle the toughest job site conditions. Now, here's the deal. There was something here that had me puzzled, perplexed for a second. I don't know what it is, though. I can't remember. There was something, it popped in my mind. It popped in my mind, and then it disappeared. Oh, that's what it was. They're saying 750 cuts per charge. Here's the deal, though. They're not telling us what they're cutting through for 750 cuts. Let's see if we could find that out. Let's see what they tell us. Oh, okay. They also give us. Here's the deal. I'll put the video back up. So it says doesn't say what they're cutting through. Doesn't say what they're cutting through. I would assume that it's 750 cuts per charge through 2x lumber, like standard 2x4s or something of that. The positive bevel detents are at 22.5 and 45 degrees, as well as positive depth detents at 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1.5 inches, which I like. I think that's really cool. It should definitely help to speed you up. Now, I'm seeing if maybe there's more stats. Cut depth at 90 degrees is 2 5/8 inch. Cut depth at 45 degrees is 2 1/16. Max bevel is 57 degrees. I'm not getting a specification on what they're cutting through. I'm not seeing that here. Okay. What they're doing with this is they're selling it in a kit that I see so far. Oh, they do have tool only as well. Wow. So they have the circular saw kit. It's coming with that 12 amp hour battery forged at $449. So pretty much the forged battery itself is $249. Then you're going to get a charger and you're going to get the saw. So that, between the charger and the saw, I mean, it's crazy. Bare tool, if you were to buy it bare tool only, you wanted the improved saw, you have batteries, let's say, it's $249. That's product number 2834-20. They've really priced everything pretty competitively. It makes sense if you don't have the forged technology. They kind of made it to the point where it just makes sense to buy the kits. I mean, they do a good job of marketing that stuff. Simply Brucey, here's the deal on that. Go to this video here. Okay. We had the same problem with our rear handle. Go watch the video. See what we did. We didn't wait for Gento. That's all I'm going to say. All right. So that is the right line of sight circ saw. To be totally honest with you, when it comes to flavors of circ saws, it's not my favorite flavor. It's just not. What is my favorite flavor, though, and there's no video, which I find disturbing. It's very odd. It's very odd. You know what I'm going to do? I know I've whet your appetite with the right line of sight. What I'll do before we move on is talk about Milwaukee Tool has a line of thick kerf saw blades. Oh, did I tell you? Yeah, I gave you the pricing on the circ saw. It says Milwaukee introduces their thick kerf framing circular saw blades, which offer the straightest cuts and the longer life in wood. These blades are designed with high performance thick kerf, allowing you to get the straightest rip cuts and ultimate stability in softwoods, hardwoods, and lumber and laminated woods. The diamond venting pattern allows for cool cutting and improved chip ejection, while the cobalt infused carbide teeth stay sharper longer. The thick kerf framing blades are optimized for the most powerful cordless saws, providing strong performance even at the highest RPMs. Those saw blades are available July 2024. Now, here's the deal. I might be able to get you. So they're selling the blades in packs of 2, packs of 10, packs of 25. The reality of it is, though, theoretically, but reality. You ever hear that? Theoretically and then reality-wise. Theoretically and then in reality. This is very odd. So if we come to the link in the description and click on it, you'll see new Milwaukee accessories. They're 24-tooth framing blades. These are sold in, this is bulk. Saw blades. Thick kerf. These are thick kerf. They just look different. They do have the diamond design. But here's a for instance. Worm drive circular saw blades. I'll assume these are all thick kerf. You can see they have them at a price point of $9.97 a piece. So they have either round or diamond. I guess you have to buy specific blades. I don't know that that these blades have removable diamond. Oh, it does have a diamond knockout. It says it right here. But you can see here, $11.97. Straightest cuts, longest life. Whoa. Pretty cool. What do you think about that? I want to know. We do have some pricing, but what do you think about that? Simply Brucey, I don't have that answer. When will it make it to Home Depot? I will say that they have it for a pre-sale right now at the link in the description. If you wanted to get in line, generally pre-sales, you place your order, they come to you first. Now, I don't know when the Home Depot would have it. This is the other thing. You would assume that Milwaukee, would be selling those 12 amp hours in the Home Depot. But a lot of times, and I'm just being honest here, it's the same price point. There would be no reason why they would not carry it at the Home Depot. Here's the thing. Place the pre-order if you can. This way you get it before everybody else. If you really need it. If you don't need it, don't buy it. I mean, it is what it is. What's up there, cool kid Guzman? Okay, so we've gone over the thick curve saw blades. There's two variety of nailers that were available. Here's the deal. I will go over quickly the new duplex nailer, because the reality is that if you haven't seen the duplex nailer in action, you can go to this video right here. Okay, go see that video. We've had this, we've used this in action. We've had it at the World of Concrete for 2024. So we talk about the benefits of duplex nailing and why you would use something like a duplex nailer. But it says Milwaukee Tool. I don't want to get into the, maybe I will. It says our M18 FUEL duplex nailer revolutionizes the assembly of concrete formwork by increasing productivity and optimizing ergonomics by leveraging our nitrogen air spring technology, power state brushless motor, and red link intelligence. This nailer delivers the performance to seat nails into all wooden framework materials at firing rates of up to 4 nails per second. Our M18 FUEL duplex nailer provides our users with a 7 times increase in productivity and a drastic reduction in muscle effort compared to driving nails with a hammer. This nailer is equipped with user-driven features, including tool-free jam clearance and depth of drive adjustment to minimize downtime on the job. Our cordless nailer is designed for compatibility with our collated duplex nails, sold separately, available in 2 sizes, 2 1/4 inch and 3 inch. When paired with our M18 REDLITHIUM 5 amp hour battery pack, this nailer gives users the ability to sink up to 800 nails per charge. Our M18 FUEL duplex nailer joins the M18 system of over 200 solutions and is compatible with all M18 REDLITHIUM batteries. So availability is July 2024, so it's pretty much available, going to be available this coming month, and it has a price of $649. Now, some of you are like, I don't do enough concrete, forms to invest in that duplex nailer. And to that, I would say, don't buy it. Like, it is a somewhat specialized tool. You know what I mean? If it would make you more productive, of course, then you get it. But, if you can't justify the cost in the money that you will make in return, don't buy the thing. Cool Kid Guzman says, I love to see your live streams, and I'm sorry I'm going through a lot of time. But I got, good Lord. But I got into a car accident. Not my fault. You make my day. I'm glad we can make your day. I'm sorry about the car accident, Cuzbo. I just wish people would pay more attention. You know what I mean? Listen, I love that everybody watches the stream, but don't watch the stream if you're driving a car. Definitely don't watch the stream if you're riding a motorcycle. You know what I mean? And if you do ride a motorcycle, make sure you got loud pipes and you make yourself present. You appear to people. You know what I mean? We appreciate that $5 holler, cool Kid Guzman. Hope you get better soon. Everybody in the stream, wish Cool Kid Guzman a get well soon. I would really appreciate it. And, be safe out there, bro. Oh, my Lord. I don't think a Gen 5 will be out anytime soon, Simply Brucey. But I could be wrong. All right. Let's move into some sanders. M12 random orbital sanders. So, the M12 FUEL 3-inch random orbital detail sander, designed for the professional carpenter, remodeler, or general contractor. Our M12 FUEL 3-inch random orbital detail sander combines the power and efficiency to sand the toughest materials on site, while the compact pad size allows for delicate controlled sanding during the installation of trim, railings, or other refinishing applications. Our sander delivers precise removal for spot sanding. I got to do that again. There we go. Our sander delivers precise removal for spot sanding, more control and maneuverability, and over 80% dust collection. Ergonomically engineered, the sander has greater access to hard-to-reach areas and active dust extraction for minimal dust buildup, with the versatility to utilize the included bag or universal hose adapter. The sander features a random orbit sanding motion with 3/32 orbit diameter to deliver a clean, consistent stain grade surface finish. A variable speed trigger with lock-on button and 4-speed settings from 10,000 to 4,000 for control access. A wide variety of materials. Okay. The lightweight design at 2 pounds provides unmatched maneuverability and reduced fatigue when used across multiple orientations. The adjustable on and off LED light bar illuminates 270 degrees for maximum visibility of the work area, and the optional spudge pad allows the abrasive to contour to the work surface when working with complex trim profiles, while the pad saver protects against heat buildup to extend the life of the backing pad. Now, this one's available August 2024 and has a price of $179. Milwaukee, in addition to having the sander announced, also has announced their own line of 3-inch sanding pads. They're a mesh sanding disc with power grid tear resistant mesh. The price will vary on these. It says that the sanding discs are designed with power grid tear resistant mesh for maximum durability, delivering up to 12 times longer life versus standard sandpaper. They have an open weave design to minimize clogging and reduce material buildup for a smooth and flawless finish. The durable nylon backing increases protection against sharp edges, tight corners, and tough material removal applications while utilizing sharp aluminum oxide grain for faster finishing. The reusable mesh sanding discs are easy to clean for longer life. Simply shake, vacuum, blow, or rinse to clear away debris. It says high-quality hook and loop provides a secure connection and fast grit swaps. Our sanding discs are available in 80 grit, 400 grit for use in wood, metal, or plastics. Whoa. David Battencourt says, wow, I'm being ghosted bad. Thank you anyways. I mean, You literally said like comfort grip on Milwaukee hand tool ratchets. I mean, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like, you know, that's ghosted bad. I mean, sorry, you left one comment. Oh, you left 2 comments as I scroll up. You did hit at VCG Construction. You know, I don't know. Yeah, you're being ghosted bad. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Sorry to hurt your feelings. Sorry to hurt your feelings. I apologize for not seeing your comment as I try to get all of this information out. I apologize. But generally what I will do is I will stop in between and read the comments. The problem is that I don't think that there's anything with comfort grips on the hand tool ratchets. So it's like, you know, nothing to do with this stream. You know what I mean? I'm not going to fast forward through the content to go and look if there's comfort grips on ratchets. You know what I mean? If you had like a question about something we were talking about presently, I'd probably be more likely to address it. But, you know, can't make everybody happy. You know what I mean? You probably want me to talk about like a corded tool from like 1982 as well. But I couldn't do that because that's not what this stream is about. Hello, Dynatran. I will tell you this much, though. We've come to a very exciting part of the stream. One that everybody has been hounding Milwaukee Tool for years. Let me see here. Oh, here it is. I will say this. This is one that our roofing installers, I would be very, I want to get their feedback on this one because we are a GAF certified shingle installer. We get a 50-year warranty on a 30-year product, and that all has to do with the number of nails that are installed, make sure the roofing system is installed correctly to their specification, is inspected. And the reality is that when you have to install 15 nails per shingle as opposed to 11 nails per shingle to pass for the warranty inspection and such, time is of the essence. That's a lot of additional nails. So I'm curious to see what Milwaukee Tool will say as, you know, what this roofing nailer is intended for. It doesn't matter. As opposed to putting up walls, framing nailers, I would think that you would run through a shot count for a roofing nailer much more rapidly than you would for a framing nailer. So I'm excited to find out what they had to say. I'm super excited about that. Here goes. I know you've all been waiting for this one. Our M18 FUEL coil roofing nailer delivers cordless innovation to a roofing and to roofing and exterior contractors through optimized performance, best-in-class runtime, and unmatched versatility of vinyl siding installation. By leveraging our nitrogen spring technology, power state brushless motor, and RedLink intelligence, this nailer delivers the performance to seat nails at a firing rate of up to 6 nails per second, which is quick. When paired with the M18 REDLITHIUM high-output CP 3.0 battery pack, this nailer sinks up to 1,100 nails per charge, providing best-in-class runtime to maximize productivity. This tool features an attachable vinyl siding tip. Wow, that's pretty cool that they're including that. Increasing versatility to utilize the nailer for vinyl siding installation. I'm getting this. I might be getting multiple of this. Our cordless roofing nailer features a pivoting belt scaffolding hook, tool-free depth of drive adjustment, dry fire lockout, and replaceable rubber wear pads. Our M18 FUEL coil roofing nailer joins the M18 system of over 250 solutions and is compatible with all M18 REDLITHIUM batteries. Now, here's the deal. This one's available October 2024. You know, they're going to put out the roofing nailer right before you can't set shingles. You know, you have to get a whole bunch of roofing jobs done before like November, the end of November. This nailer has a price of $479. How pumped are you for this solution? I'm pretty doggone pumped for this one. I am pretty doggone pumped. That would be funny. That would be funny. Imagine taking the tools of today and travel back in the time to show the construction guys of 100 years ago. I got to be honest with you. Felix, the reality is that if you were to take some of the solutions from today and travel back 10 years, I would be like, how did they do that? How did they do that? Really? Like, I would have said no way. Maybe 10 years ago. 15, 20 years ago, I would have been like, none of this is even, did an outer spaceman drop this off to you? Pretty amazing stuff. Now, Milwaukee Tool also has a 6.5-inch circular saw option. The problem is that it doesn't seem to be an option for vertical. I guess there was only so much time. So we're going to have to look at this in this terrible horizontal orientation. But this is what Milwaukee Tool says about it. They say the M18 FUEL 6.5-inch circular saw is designed for the professional carpenter, remodeler, or general contractor who rely on high-performing and durable tools. This saw offers class-leading performance, delivering up to 20% more power and up to 40% faster cut speeds. The Power State brushless motor spins the blade at 6,000 RPM, maintaining high speed under load, providing users the ability to complete their most demanding applications efficiently. When paired with the M18 high output XC 6.0 battery, that's pretty funny. So they're pairing this with the previous generation of high output batteries. Not forged. Not included. This saw delivers 300 cuts per charge and is fully compatible with all M18 REDLITHIUM batteries. The lightweight ergonomic design paired with a robust belt hook for increased portability and makes it the perfect solution for completing difficult-to-access cuts. Positive bevel detents and new-to-world depth detents offer added productivity and reduced downtime. Additionally, the saw has an electric blade brake, LED work light, rafter hook, and all magnesium guards and shoes, keeping the user productive and providing the durability to handle the toughest job site conditions. Launch date for this circular saw is June 2024. It has a price of $229. This is pretty funny. Watch this. They went all out. This one doesn't have any video. Crazy. All right. M12's getting a new circular saw. This is the 5 3/8 circular saw. It says it's designed for the professional. Utilizing the Power State brushless motor, the saw delivers the performance to make quick work of ripping and cross-cutting sheet goods, as well as cross-cutting dimensional lumber. With its compact and lightweight design, the saw is extremely portable, making this a great solution for cuts in smaller spaces, overhead, or when capacity of a saw is not needed. The M12 REDLITHIUM high output XC 5.0 battery delivers 190 cuts in 2x4s, delivering the runtime needed to keep users productive on site. The latest in 12-volt cordless technology, LED light, cut line blower, and integrated storage hook make this a powerful, compact, and convenient cutting solution. I know a lot of you love this smaller form factor. This thing does look pretty doggone cool. I guess it would do well. They cite a number of cuts through 2x4 lumber, but I feel like this smaller diameter saw would probably be really great for sheet goods. The thing is that, ripping through sheet goods is wattage and amp hour intensive. So is ripping sheet goods really the task for M12? I don't know. I don't know. It would take a whole lot of testing to really determine if it is. I mean, I don't know. Next up is the one I'm most excited about, though. This is the next generation M18 FUEL 7¼ rear handle circ saw. Oh, before we move on to that, the launch date for the M12 FUEL 5 3/8" circ saw is May 2024. So it should already be out, and it has a price of $259. But let's move into the 7¼ rear handle circ saw, because this is the one that I like the most. It says, designed for the professional carpenter, remodeler, and general contractor, the M18 FUEL 7¼ rear handle circular saw from Milwaukee delivers class-leading performance. Utilizing the latest in cordless technology, the saw provides users with the power to complete more demanding applications and the cut speed to achieve greater productivity. The Power State brushless motor provides the worm drive style saw with 6,300 RPM, maintaining high speed under load, providing users the ability to complete their most demanding applications efficiently. Breakthrough advances in RedLink Plus intelligence ensure maximum tool performance and protection from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. Paired with the M18 REDLITHIUM Forge HD 12.0 battery, this saw provides up to 700 cuts per charge while maintaining full compatibility with all M18 REDLITHIUM batteries. Doesn't say what size lumber, though. The lightweight and compact design paired with premium ergonomics make the saw perfect for all-day use on the job site. For added productivity, this saw contains, features positive bevel detents and depth detents. A multi-sized rafter hook allows you to store the saw on different materials. Additionally, the saw has an electric, I would say it's electronic blade brake, rotational dust port, LED work light, and a magnesium guards and shoe, keeping you productive and providing you the durability to handle the toughest job site conditions. There, you can see some changes in the guard here. I am not seeing, and let's flip through the pictures. I'm not seeing necessarily, we got some glamour shots here. I will tell you, okay, I'm not necessarily seeing the stops for the depth. I'm not seeing the stops for the detent. I will assume it's right here. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. What I am seeing with this Generation 2 is Milwaukee Tool addressing one of the biggest complaints with the first generation rear handle circ saw, besides the trigger issues, and that is the dust collection. In the previous model, the dust port was here. I can't point up to it. Here at the rear of the blade guard. And you could put like a dust port for a vacuum attachment, or it just had the normal blow through. Now, they've changed that a la skill saw, okay? And they've put it at the top front. You could see this discharge port, which probably will help capture a lot of dust. A lot of dust. I find that very, very, very interesting. Let's see if there's any other pictures. That is it. I will tell you, excuse me, no more on the rear handle, except for launch date is early 2025, and it has a price of $449. I'm excited for that one. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Wow, Felix says, even that. Okay, Milwaukee is getting 100 years old that year. That's most likely just the beginning. Wow. Milwaukee also has in the carpentry lineup, where is it at? Wow. That's not it. That's not it. Let me see if they made duplicate pictures. So here's the deal. I guess it will hang off there. Let me see if I could find you the proper picture. There's the proper picture. At first, I was a little confused. Confusion. Milwaukee has an M18 FUEL 5-inch random orbital sander. You can see the M18 battery slots in here. It has multi-modes. We're looking at like 5 modes there. It says designed for the professional carpenter, remodeler, general contractor. 5-inch random orbital sander generates the power for heavy stock removal to sand the toughest materials on site while delivering the lowest coreless vibration at 12,000 oscillations per minute and up to 95% dust collection. The ergonomic form factor, compact size, and low vibration offer increased user comfort during operation. The Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence delivers corded power for faster removal at 12,000 oscillations per minute for enhanced productivity on the job site. The sander features a random orbital sanding motion with 3/30 seconds orbit diameter to deliver a clean, consistent stain grade surface finish combined with a variable 5-mode speed button from 12,000 to 4,000 for increased control access across a wide variety of materials. Equipped with VAC-Link Bluetooth technology, the sander delivers up to 95% efficiency and instant dust control when paired with the M18 FUEL Pack-Out 9-gallon dual battery dust extractor, which I will assume is up next. But I'd be lying because it's not. Because it's not. Next up, they have a cordless shop vac working for life. They have multiple versions of a cordless shop vac, M18. Mitch says it looks unbalanced. Maybe. Maybe not. Did I give you the pricing? The random orbital sander on the M18 platform, it launches November 2024, has a price of $199. There's an M18 FUEL 4.5-inch to 6-inch variable speed braking grinder, paddle switch with 1 key. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here. All right. Okay. It has a rapid stop. So there's some technology built in there. It says our M18 4.5-inch to 6-inch variable speed grinder, paddle switch with 1 key battery kit is the next advancement in power and performance, generating 13 amp corded power, fastest cutting, and delivering up to 135 cuts per charge. It generates 13 amp corded power, allowing you to complete the toughest grinding, cutting applications, all on the M18 cordless platform. The Power State brushless motor delivers 3,000 to 9,000 RPM and maximum sustained power to complete the toughest grinding and cutting applications, allowing you to push your cordless angle grinder harder and longer than ever before. The Rapid Stop brake provides stop times. That's nuts. The Rapid Stop brake provides stop times under 2 seconds with an abrasive disc. It's got an electronic clutch for kickback protection as well as overload protection to maximize motor life. It's compatible with one key. This grinder wirelessly connects to a smartphone to track and manage the tool, providing you with the visibility where tools are across your network of jobs. Pair it with an M18 REDLITHIUM Forge XC 8.0 battery pack for high output or for high output. HD 12 is smaller size. It's very weird. So this new variable speed grinder with all that rapid stop and the clutches and all kinds of stuff, it's going to be available in November 2024. It's got a price of $599.99. Milwaukee has a new deep cut bandsaw as well. Wow. This one's available September and December 2024. It says the deep cut bandsaw provides an enhanced cutting experience without sacrificing performance. Up to 15% lighter than competitors while delivering faster cuts. The bandsaw provides enhanced productivity with less fatigue. Equipped with a power state brushless motor, this bandsaw supplies 550 SFPM to provide the power needed to complete on the toughest applications, while also delivering up to 78 cuts per charge with the M18 REDLITHIUM XC 5.0 battery, providing confidence to cut the cord. It's going to launch late 2024. It's got a price of $669. We got a single picture. This one's nuts. We've seen this before. Yeah. Thanks, Rob. Okay, so this is the M18 FUEL overhead rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction. This one's a little bit different than what you might be expecting, especially from the M18 size, okay? It says overhead rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction is a new-to-world solution optimized for sealing drilling. This two-in-one design delivers improved ergonomics for overhead work compared to traditional rotary hammer and dust extractor attachments, while maintaining Table 1 compliance. This SDS Plus rotary hammer provides several new features that keep operators productive and comfortable for repetitive drilling overhead. The built-in dust extractor creates a compact, lightweight tool with optimized balance for less fatigue. The newly designed side handle, now located near the rear handle, allows the operator to maintain better body posture throughout the application. The handle can be inserted on the left or right of the tool and can be collapsed for easy storage. Auto stop kickback control offers enhanced safety for the operator by preventing over rotation in a bind up situation. With one key, users can choose between default and low sensitivity settings for auto stop features, in addition to tool tracking and management. It says it provides simplified dust compliance and superior ergonomics while still delivering best-in-class power state brushless motor, provides fastest drilling for small sealing anchors and enough power to complete up to 5/8-inch holes in concrete. So this is M18, but it's only capable because this is a solution-based. This is a solution-based tool. Okay, this is for overhead. This is for pretty much fastening anchors. This is an anchor fastening in concrete. So you're going to do rapid changes between drilling and fastening duties. You're only able to drill 5/8-inch holes. Just is what it is. They also and to kind of show this, right? Milwaukee also has an M12 FUEL 5/8-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. This one launches Q4 2024. This has a $279 price tag, fastest drilling in the 12-volt class. This is FUEL. It's lightweight, one-handed design, up to 73 1/4-inch by 2-inch holes per charge. That's what you will get. But this has a maximum capacity of 5/8 of an inch. Okay? That's very weird. Let's see what this is. Okay. This is their M18 FUEL 5/8-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer with dust extractor. This has a launch date of November 2024. It's the fastest 3/8 drilling in its class. It's most versatile, compact design. You're able to get up to 89 1/4-inch by 2-inch holes per charge. Obviously, it has the hammer vac is included in this, and it has a price tag of $549. Here's one that was like people were. It's not the first time you're seeing this one. But I gotta share it again because it's part of this. It's part of this release. I'm trying to pick out like the best picture for you. You can see the remote control. There's a good picture. This is the M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist with 1 key. It says, our compact one-ton chain hoist with 1 key brings innovation into the material handling category. Designed to give users effortless installs, less downtime, and improved mobility. Powered by the M18 REDLITHIUM batteries, our solution eliminates the time needed to set up extension cords to power hoists on site. The kitted wireless remote delivers enhanced control in each lift. Equipped with 60 foot of remote range, variable speed, and the adjustment users gain fine adjustment, users gain more visibility and accurate installs. With a 46-pound compact lightweight design and kitted with the pack-out rolling cart, the chain hoist gives users the ability to more efficiently move around site. Designed to lift in both inverted and standard orientations, the hoist increases material lifting versatility while decreasing on-site strain. This one is available July 2024. It's available now. This one has a price of $3,999. What's up, Ike? He says, thanks for your updates, Vince. Ike R on the job. That's what's up, cuz. Remember, it'd be like Ike R. Type at VCG Construction so I could see your comment if you have one that I need to address. Here's the deal. Milwaukee Tool is re-announcing all of their MX FUEL offerings at Pipeline. But, frankly, you can see all of that action in this video here. This is World of Concrete. We've gone over every single new MX FUEL offering that is part of the pipeline event today in those videos months ago. If you're interested in them, go and check it out. Now, I know you're watching this video. Why would you be interested in it? Well, there are some battery-powered options, a part of that platform that you might not even be aware of. They have, for instance, in that video, you will see the MX FUEL 14-inch cutoff saw with rapid stop. They have the MX FUEL high-cycle concrete vibrator in that video. Concrete vibrator head expansion. We've shown you that. They have the MX FUEL rocket dual-power compact tower light. The MX FUEL 70-kilogram rammer. We have in that video the 1-horsepower 2-inch submersible pump, the portable battery extension, and we've even shown their Diamond Max circular saw blades. Okay, so you can find all of that information on those tools in that video right here. Go and check it out. Rick Scripter wants to know what's with the coil nailer. What do you mean? What's with it? You mean like coil nails? There's no coil nails included. You have to buy them separately. Rick Scripter. If you have a more pointed question, like something, I could actually this is a very. What do you mean? What's with it? I went over all the specs, features a little while ago. I don't know what you're actually asking. Shaka Gillis says, and if you like, Vance bringing you the best brand from TTI and not the Ryobi garbage, then smash the like button. We appreciate that, Shaka Gillis. Thanks for being here. Okay. Milwaukee also has some new plumbing and electrical offerings as well. So they have a new drain line inspector. This is their M12. It's a camera. It features the most compact footprint for the tightest job site environments. There are multiple camera leads and such. So that means that the price will vary on that one. Okay, the price will vary on that one. I'm going to show you the ones that I think that you will love the best. There is a new M12 copper tubing cutter. This one's available May 2024. Now, this one cuts between 1.25 and 2-inch copper tubing. Pretty exciting on that one. That one has a price of $399. But it very, very versatile. Very versatile. Oh, boy. Milwaukee announced an M18 brushless transfer or stick pump similar to the M12. It will be available January 2025. But this is the deal. It says more details to be shared closer to launch. The only details they are giving you, though, is it's hydroplast filter shields against clogs. 360-degree design maximizes flow in heavy debris and will pump up to 25 gallons per minute. That's a lot of gallons per minute. Drain up to 1,000 gallons on one M18 Red Lithium Forge HD 12.0 battery. Pretty beastly. Let me see if I can just show you. And that is right here. Looks pretty fat. Oh, I wish I would have done this a while ago. Okay. They have some new lighting solutions. Let's take a look at those. Weird. This one's pretty cool. I don't get it. I really don't. I don't get it. All right. This is kind of like the older style carabiner light. I like this one a lot, actually. So this is the rechargeable low-profile magnetic task light. This is available July 2024. Our rechargeable low-profile magnetic task light delivers adaptive mounting capability along with infinite light head mobility in all directions. This rechargeable task light is designed with a durable aluminum frame that includes magnets and an alternative mounting feature for non-metal surfaces, all in pocket portable design to help improve visibility and reduce shadows. The light head has infinite horizontal and vertical mobility. Manage 3 output modes for 500 lumens of true view high definition output, or extend runtime up to 12 hours on the low setting. The Milwaukee rechargeable low-profile magnetic task light is USB-C rechargeable. It's built to survive the toughest job site conditions with an IP54 water and dustproof rating and a 6-foot impact rating. Whoa. That one's available July 2024. And that's even crazier looking. I thought it was a carabiner, but it has multiple ways that they're mounting that thing. I like that a lot. I like that one a lot. Let's take a look at, whoa, I like this one too. This one is the M18 Rover compact folding floodlight with USB charging. So This is really nifty. I like this one. In addition to it being a light, it will also charge your M18 batteries. Plus, you could use it to power smart devices as well as a light. That's pretty doggone cool. So, folding floodlight with USB charging. This is available October 2024. It's got a price of $79. It says, this light delivers 1,000 lumens of true view high definition output with 12 hours of runtime on high with our M18 XC 5.0 battery pack, designed with 4 different output modes and 300 degrees of horizontal and 180 degrees of vertical light head mobility, making it easier than ever to tailor the light's output and position. With 2 ports included, 12 watts USB-A and 27 watts USB-C, the light can deliver power to small external devices when needed. The M18 Rover compact folding light with USB charging has an attached metal rafter hook that can be extended to hang it from carts, lumber, or other job site materials when work surface space is limited. It's got an IP54 rating, and it has a 9-foot drop rating. So it could withstand drops up to 9 feet. I like that. This one's really interesting. This one's really interesting. Is this full under personal? I'm confused. So this is the M18 Rover clamping floodlight. So this is powered by an M18 battery. It says it offers maximum versatility and mounting capabilities in any job site condition. The floodlight has a strong 3-inch multi-material clamp that is designed for 1 to 3-inch OD pipes, 2x material, and steel studs. For metal mounting, this floodlight has strong magnets for quick attachment. With 365 degrees of horizontal rotation and 170 degrees of vertical rotation for complete light head adjustability. It is easier than ever to get light where it is needed. The M18 Rover clamping floodlight delivers 2,000 lumens of true view high definition output and offers 6 hours of runtime on high with an M18 XC 5.0 battery. That's pretty cool. This one's available October 2024 and has a price of $119. Oh, I see the battery where it sits in right there. That's pretty cool. Here's one. Here's one you're going to love. See where there's the battery sits in there. It's got a rafter hook. A lot of new lighting solutions. I like this. Wow. Take a look. Let's take a look at what they have to say. So this is the M18 Rover dual power triple panel flood and area light. Milwaukee says the M18 Rover dual power triple panel flood and area light delivers a high performing 450 lumen of flood and area lighting and the most compact portability in its class. The light has 3 folding panels that provide optimal lighting coverage, offering various brightness modes and individual light head power options for any job site need. With a versatile base featuring a hook, magnet, and keyholes, you can effortlessly mount this light overhead in any job site environment. The triple panel flood and area light delivers 4,500 lumens of true view high definition output for 3 hours of runtime on high with an XC 5.0 battery. On its lowest brightness setting, the light provides up to 30 hours of runtime on an XC 5.0 battery pack. It's equipped with an AC port for all-day runtime capability, designed with the job site in mind. It's got an IP54 rating. It's available October 2024. The price is $179. It's true, Mitch. Whoa, you guys will like this. Whoa. Here's one you'll all love. This is the M18 brushless pack-out fan. This is part of their system enhancements release. The fan delivers the fastest 18-volt airspeed. The brushless motor quickly propels air up to 20.5 miles per hour and 850 CFM, making the fan ideal for personal cooling on and off the job site. 7-inch blade optimized for increased runtime delivers over 3 hours of use on high and 6.5 hours at 75% speed with an XC 5.0 battery. It has a 300-degree adjustable head to provide optimal airflow at any job. It's impact resistant. And it has the keyholes, pass-through holes, and pack out compatibility allow the fan to be mounted in unique positions and oriented across the job site. So this one is powered by both M18 batteries, as well as you could plug it in. Plug her in, plug her in. I find it odd, though. A lot of times, the inlet would be covered by the battery. So it doesn't necessarily, like, it almost makes you feel like it's a fan charger, even though I know that it's not. It says nothing about that. This has a price of $129. It's available almost as $24. Dead Wolf King, link is in the description. That's how I send the link. It's in the description. This is the M18 Bluetooth job site speaker. It says it delivers a full range sound and job site versatility. The 3.75-inch woofer and high-frequency tweeter deliver optimized sound for medium-sized spaces. They got Bluetooth 5.3, provides up to 200 foot of range to keep you connected throughout the job site. Audio Link allows you to play music through multiple compatible Milwaukee devices, creating a larger sound experience. The M18 Bluetooth job site speaker provides up to 16 hours of runtime at 100% volume on the M18 REDLITHIUM XC 5.0 battery. The built-in equalizer settings allow you to customize the bass and trebles for your preferred sound. Utility cart, nail hook, and pass-through hanging capabilities are integrated within the job site design, within the handle design, providing job site versatility. The speaker withstands the most demanding job site environments with IP64 rating. Charge up personal devices with USB-C 3.0 device charging wherever you go. So you can charge USB Type-C devices with this. Your personal like for your personal heating gear, you could charge those batteries with this. A lot of versatilities. Here's one. This is crazy. So this is the M12 Bluetooth speaker. It's pack-out capable. So it's going to fit into almost like a pack-out tumbler. It's going to fit into the top of your pack-out. Right? It says a 3.5-inch woofer and high-frequency tweeter provide a clear sound experience. Audio Link allows you to play music through multiple compatible Milwaukee devices, creating a larger sound experience. It's got an integrated nail hook, D-hook, and various listening orientations provide maximum job site versatility. This one's $129.99, and it's available January 2025. I don't know if you've seen it or not. This is the M18 brushless 18-inch fan. This is available February 2024. It's already available and has a price of $249.99. You could power this one with an AC cord. They have it paired here with a 5 amp hour battery, but they give a runtime of 5 hours on high with a 12 amp hour battery. All right. Now we're moving into the we're moving back into that tasty stuff. Is there no, like, there's a one single picture. Is that even possible? I say it's not even possible. So we actually saw this vacuum or dust extractor at World of Concrete. We did a short on it. This one is dual power. So it's dual battery as well as dual power, from what I understand. I'm going to read the specs on this one. But this is the M18 FUEL Pack-Out 9-gallon dust extractor with VacLink. It says the M18 FUEL Pack-Out 9-gallon dual battery dust extractor with vac sets the standard for coreless dust extractors with strong performance and unmatched versatility. The automatic filter cleaning mechanism provides highest sustained airflow to maintain productivity during dust extraction applications. This mechanism, paired with 2 HEPA filters, delivers OSHA Table 1 compliance. This dust extractor has versatile power with corded or cordless capabilities for all-day productivity. With VacLink and integrated wireless dust control technology, compatible tools and remotes connect to the dust extractor, allowing for activation from the dust-producing application for increased efficiency. Wow. The Power State brushless motor delivers 125 CFM on 2 M18 batteries and 175 CFM when plugged in. On 2 forged 12 amp hour batteries, max power mode delivers up to 41 minutes of continuous cleaning and 78 minutes on max runtime mode. Optimized for concrete dust, drywall, and sawdust, the low flow indicator communicates if flow drops below optimal performance. Also capable of wet cleanup, wet sensors indicate if the tank is full. The included 36 millimeter by 10 foot anti-static hose and attached hose clip connects to included power tool and table saw adapters that allow for efficient dust collection when paired with other tools. Now, here's the deal with this one. This one has been a long time coming. A lot of you were, how much is it going to cost? Like, do you think it would be like $800? They have a corded dust extractor. I think the corded dust extractor was like $900. Now, this one, wow. The dust extractor is also kitted with 5 accessories: 2 HEPA filters, 10-foot hose, VacLink remote, fleece dust bag, power tool adapter, and 1 table saw adapter. It doesn't seem to be kitted with batteries, okay? It has a total cost of $1,299.99, so pretty much $1,300. What do you think of that? Now, here's one that I found very interesting. Some of you will love it. Milwaukee Tool has looked at the marketplace and what people were doing to capture dust. And they've come out, this one will come out October 2024. This is the Pack-Out Compact Debris Separator. Okay, our Pack-Out Compact Debris Separator is an accessory that requires use with a wet-dry vacuum. When paired together, the debris separator provides less filter clogs, consistent suction, and tool mobility. This dust separator is compatible with all common wet-dry vacuum brands with 1 1/4 inch, 1 7/8 inch, and 2.5 inch hose diameters, and can hold up to 2.5 gallons of debris. By capturing and separating 99% of common job site debris before it reaches the vacuum, there is less downtime spent cleaning and changing filters and more time working. With a compact size, pack-out compatibility, and organized onboard storage, the debris separator delivers more mobility on, off, and around the job site. When using our medium capacity wet-dry vacuums, the integrated mounting clips offer secure attachment to the vacuum. The optional caster accessory kit includes 4 wheels that easily connect to the bottom of the debris separator, offering further maneuverability throughout the job site. The casters are a great add-on when using Pack-Out Compact Debris Separator with other vacuums or do not offer pack-out capability or mounting clips. Okay. This one, $99.99. They have some new job site apparel offerings. Here are 2 offerings that I want to share for heated gear. This is Milwaukee's new heated gear power source. This one will be available 2024. Anybody that's had Milwaukee's heated gear previously, maybe you put on a couple pounds, or maybe you maybe purchased a size that was maybe one size too small. The compartment for your battery pack, which was round, okay, sat in your left kidney area. And if you sat down too quickly, either in your vehicle or worse, against a hard surface, you got the old kidney breaker. It's not fun. Not fun at all. Milwaukee Tool, that was probably one of their most major complaints. They've decided to do something about that. This is their heated gear power source with app control. It says our heated gear power source with app control powers all M12 heated gear and allows you, hold on a second, let me make this bigger. Allows you to personalize your heat zones and runtime through the Milwaukee Heated Gear app when paired with Hexon heat technology garments. Quickly connect your mobile device to this power source with Bluetooth to control 10 different heat levels and independent heat zone activation, enhance runtime control, and save your favorite settings for any activity or environment. This 36-watt power source provides up to 12 hours of runtime on low and 3 hours on high for M12 heated gear. With USB-C bidirectional charging, the heated gear power source recharges itself fully in 70 minutes and delivers 15 watts output to charge mobile devices. I like this is one I'm actually very excited about. As crazy as it may sound. Here's another one that I'm very excited about. This is the new top off. So this is what the previous heated gear power supply kind of looked like. You didn't have to use it with the flat base XC batteries. You could use it with the compact batteries. But do you see how that might cause like discomfort when sitting? You could see it. This is their new M12 top off power supply and charger. This is available August 2024. It has a price of $70. This one's offering USB Type-C capability, okay, whereas before it was like mini USB. It was terrible, and it was very slow charging. This is an actual viable option because of its USB Type-C connectivity. You could use this to charge your M12 batteries more rapidly than previously before. I like this one a lot, but I do like the new flat heated power source. I like that even more. The problem is that flat power source, you can't swap batteries out like you can with the M12. They have some new protective equipment or PPE, new goggles, new hard hats. I will say this, that I really like what I'm seeing in the way of safety glasses. They also have some new tape measures. This is what we're seeing. Historically, people either love or hate Milwaukee's tape measures, but you can see they have Q2s of 2025, Q1 of 2025, new stud tape measures, Q1 2025. So they're not going to be out for a while. I will let you know, though, what will be out is a whole bunch of new options for a pack out that I have been dying to get to. Okay, number one. Let's pull it up here. You know what? I don't think there's any more than one picture here. So I'm just going to show you the single picture I have for this. Pack out. Milwaukee's offering a 366-piece Master Mechanics hand tool set with pack out drawers and dolly. So they're integrating all of this together. The cutouts for all these hand tools to go away. Now, get stored away. They're saying most versatile, ultimate organization, 4 flat sides, anti-roll, wrench-ready chrome sockets, better access, longest life, ratcheting combination wrenches. I do like their ratcheting combination wrenches. I like their flexible box end if you can get them. Most versatile, durable, modular storage system. Boldest, longest lasting markings, impact sockets, up to 25% more torque, combination wrenches, torque lock, faster setup, locking pliers, high leverage handle magnetic tips for the screwdrivers. This also includes hooks, picks, pry bars, pliers, and more. It's all going to be included in this kit. Now, I don't have a price on it. Sorry. Can't help you. They have a new drain auger, 25 foot. This is a hand drain auger. If you don't like the automotive type, this one's available June 2024. It will be $39.97. Pretty cool. I dig it. All right. This is the moment a lot of you have been waiting for. Here it is. There's not a ton of pictures. There's just not. This is the Pack-Out rack. Now, once again, they're saying prices will vary. This will be available April 2025. It says the Pack-Out rack joins the most versatile, durable modular storage system, bringing ultimate pack-out access and organization to the inside of vehicles and shops with the ability to fully customize the drawer layout. All pack-out toolboxes, organizers, boxes, and compatible power tool connects to the sliding drawers, allowing users to access their storage without unstacking. This solution can stack and expand across a vehicle wall to accommodate the needs of any fleet. 2 compact wall plates can also be fastened to the side of the rack for added storage. The kit includes everything needed for installation. 2 pack-out racks, 4 pack-out rack drawers, 1 pack-out rack frame, and hardware. The rack can be installed into Ford Transits, Ram ProMasters, Mercedes Sprinters, box trucks, shipping containers, and onto shop walls. Or pack-out modular storage system. Our pack-out modular storage system continues to drive productivity by making it easier to maximize storage space and stay organized with over 100 solutions. I guess this is going to be a customizable type thing. It says price varies. Okay. They have pack-out insulated bottles and mugs with sip lids. Price varies on this as well. Available in sizes 12 and 18-ounce bottles, an 18-ounce mug. They're available both red and black. They have the pack-out bottles with chug lid. Price varies on this as well. Available sizes will be 25 ounces, 35 ounces, and 48 ounces. Pretty cool. Then they have the Pack-Out Structured Backpack. I'm going to scroll through some pictures here. I feel like the pictures don't necessarily do it the justice it deserves. Very odd. Scroll it back. So it says, our Pack-Out modular storage system is the industry's most durable and versatile storage system. The structured backpack features tear-resistant layered ballistic material, a reinforced structure that holds its shape over time and has a carrying capacity of up to 50 pounds. The impact-resistant molded base connects with other Milwaukee pack-out system components via integrated locking cleats. Our structured backpack has durable hardware and includes 42 pockets. Our pack-out modular storage system allows you to customize and build your storage system to easily transport and organize your tools and accessories. Here's the deal on this. That structured backpack will be available June 2024, so it's available now. Here's the deal. The price of it is $319.97, so $320. Let me know what you think on that. I mean, if you were to compare it to other high-end backpacks, it would be, I mean, it's in the ballpark, maybe even cheaper. So is it really that bad? I don't know. You know what? Before I move on to that, yeah, they don't have. This is the Pack Out 15-inch structured tote. This launches June 2024. It says the Pack Out 15-inch structured tote features tear-resistant ballistic nylon. It's got the carrying capacity of 50 pounds. It has all metal hardware, YKK zippers, 39 pockets, padded shoulder strap quickly and conveniently stores on the handle for maximum organization. So people, when I'm like, oh, this thing's got YKK zippers, people make fun of me. Like, oh, that's not really a big deal. Milwaukee thought it was a big deal. They included it. They included it in their press materials. This is one I actually like. Oh, that structured tote's got a price of $249.97. I don't know if I told you. Here's one. I'm going to make it bigger for all to see. I like this. It's the Pack Out Tilt Bin Organizer. This is available December 2024. The Tilt Bin Organizer features 10 removable quick access bins that store a variety of materials, parts, and small tools. It can be securely hung or stacked with other Pack Out system components. The locking security bar keeps the bin secure during transport. With over 100+ solutions, the Pack Out modular storage solution is the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Whoa. That one's got a price of $99. They got a whole bunch of Pack Out toolbox attachments. So if you wanted to like put exterior, you want to hang exterior tools in here, you can see it. Like some bins on the outside. Pretty cool. The prices will vary, but they have a battery rack, a Pack Out toolbox, M12 battery rack attachment, a toolbox 3 hook attachment, toolbox caddy, toolbox tray attachment, a toolbox long tool holder attachment. I guess they ran out of time for pictures. A Pack Out toolbox compact plate, and the Pack Out toolbox attachment mount. So you can see some of the stuff here. And finally, the piece de resistance when it comes to Pack Out. There's only one picture. You've been asking since the inception. Milwaukee Tool has addressed the Achilles heel of Pack Out, and that is the bottom rolling box. This one can't be available fast enough, but it won't be available until January 25th, 2025. It's the Pack Out Rolling Drawer Toolbox. It offers a quick one-handed opening that allows for maximum productivity on the job site. With a 250-pound weight capacity, the rolling drawer is able to store a variety of heavy tools and materials. It also includes the most versatile dividers that can be quickly adjusted to keep you more organized. This one is going to be $249.99. For $250 on this bottom rolling box with the drawer. This is one of them things, though. I mean, I'm like, dang, like $250 $250. You'll see it does have like little wheels down here at the bottom. It's not just like it's like some silly drawer that pulls out. It's been thought out. But $250. Dang. What do you think of that? I want to know. Like, literally, they have one picture for this. What do you think about $250? We want to know. Leave it all below. We had a poll running up above in the chat. New Milwaukee tools you're most excited about. In the rear, the least excited, 10% of you said saws. 22% of you said impact wrenches, which I find completely, it's completely bizarre because the Stubby impact wrench seems to be such an overwhelming, so popular. But second to last, impact wrenches at 22%. In second to first, or the third place position, or something, second position. The runner-up to the most popular. That's what it is. Batteries at 33%. 33% of you were most excited about batteries. And in the number one position, the one thing that got you all the warm and fuzzies inside, more than any other thing announced today, 35%. Oh, it just shifted real quickly. 35% of you said pack out. Let me know down in the comment section below which new pack out offering had you most excited. I want to say a special thank you to those of you that have contributed to the stream monetarily, like Cool Kid Guzman helps us to pay for things like bandwidth, cameras, lights, and all the action. I say cameras. We appreciate the help, as well as all of the channel members. Listen, there's a lot of benefits to being channel members. There's discounts on merch. Their questions and comments they get recognized on the streams. It just is what it is. They help to make the show possible. We love to recognize them. Thank you to all the channel members. I want to say a special thank you to the moderators for being here during this awesome live stream from Milwaukee Tool. Live from Milwaukee Tool. They help to keep, everybody knows the best way to get from A to Z is to keep it G rated. Keep it VCG rated. They help to make that possible. They have a blue wrench next to their name, like Chaka Gillis. And check out their social medias. They're probably not just a moderator here. They're probably a creator on social media as well. If you like what you see, consider getting subscribed to them. And finally, I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you, the very coolest community on all of the interwebs, for everything that you do, all of the views, all of the comments, all of the chat, all of the likes, all of the love, everything that you do. You're the coolest community on all the interwebs. I appreciate every single one of you. Hey, Cole, it's no big deal. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter. You don't have to donate. You being here at the chat means the world to me. Hit the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. You'll get 7 years of good luck, Cole. You know what I mean? Do that. I really appreciate that. Leo says, check out Ryobi's new tools. Are they having a product symposium, a pipeline? We want to know. Listen, everybody, I have to make the most of being here at Milwaukee Tool. And that means I'm going to go out. I'm going to try to maybe have some of the local beers, as well as get some cheese curds. But most importantly, I'm going to go eat some custard right now because I feel like I've earned it. I know you don't want the stream to end, but it must end because I must move around the crowd and continue to foster the relationships that happen while being at these awesome events. Listen, you probably don't want me to go, but I got to go. But you don't have to be disappointed because there's going to be another Milwaukee video right after this one. You're going to love it. Here, all you got to do is just click this button right here.